All right, everybody, my name is Erin. I'm from Embody. We've got Brianna and Jover. Let's get this party started. We're gonna step and clap. Put a smile on your face. Let's bounce it out. Bounce.
I stand here waiting.
Let's go. All right. We're gonna elevate our energy. All right, we're gonna go front, front, back, back. Here we go. Up and back. That's it. Hey. All right, hands out. Here we go. Out, out. That's it. Use your hips. All right, bounce it, go. You're amazing. Front, front, back, back. Here we go. Swing those elbows. You're awesome. Side to side. That's it. Use those hips.
Just for geeks. I guess, sir, if you say so, some of us just like to read.
Let's bounce. Here we go. Bounce.
1 second, I'm a coon spin. Suddenly the coon says
Put a smile on your face and enjoy it.
Pop culture was in art, now art and pop culture in me.
Arms out.
Live for the applause, applause.
That's it. Hey.
Live for the applause, applause. Live for the applause, applause. Live for the way that you cheer and scream for me. The applause.
We're gonna jump it out. 4, 3, 2, let's go.
Give me the feeling of love. Turn the lights on. Put your hands up, make them turn it down. Give me the feeling of love. Turn the lights on. Put your hands up, make them turn
Front,
it down.
back. Hey. Use those elbows. Bend those knees. All right, you got this. Squatting up. Use those legs. That's it. Side, 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 side. You got it. Here we go. Front and back. That's it. Get low. Out and in. Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed this cardio dance workout. Maybe try a stretch. See you later.